Alright guys, today we're going to be working on this switcher engine. I've already showed it to you, previously in the other videos where we're having an issue with the motor, but went ahead and got another motor, so we're going to go ahead and test that new motor that we got. See if that thing don't work, so let's give that a go real quick. And obviously it does work, so that is perfect. So we're going to go ahead and get that placed into the switcher. Get these leads removed real quick. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this guy apart. Just looking at where the wires are going, it looks like all the wires are on one lead there. Alright, that should be interesting. Let's go ahead and get this tool to get them out of there with. That should do it. There's one, there's the other. Alright. You gotta be careful with that because it's got springs in there. So you don't want to lose the springs. So that's what makes the wheel stay centered in there. Go ahead and get this guy pulled off. And the motor just pulls right on out. Alright, so we'll have to get this that's really wild. I didn't expect that to run like that. That's interesting. Seems like it should have some kind of wire to ground it out, but I don't see one. So I'm kind of curious now. Maybe I overlooked something when I originally did this. Because you would seem like it would have to have some kind of ground on there. And well, I'll tell you what, I just don't see it. Just grab that there. No. Yeah, I didn't miss nothing, but had to be sure. Alright, I'm gonna have to get the soldering gun out or soldering iron, get that taken care of, so just be a moment. Okay, so I got the old soldering iron out, so we're gonna go ahead and just remove this wire from here. Won't take much. There we go. So we got it removed from the old motor. Then we're going to go ahead and just reattach it to the new motor. Get a little bit of solder on there real quick. There we go. Alright guys, so we got that wire started on there, so we're going to go ahead and start putting this guy back together here. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got it, got the solder on there and got the wire put back in place and put the side of the truck back on, so we're just going to test it. And as you can see, it does run now. So I think what we're going to do next is just go ahead and give it a shot of oil right there on the shafts on both sides. Then I'm going to take a look at adding another headlight to the back of it, because it's got the one in the front, which is right here obviously. But I was thinking that I might be able to put one in the back here too. So I'm going to go ahead and explore that option here, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so we do got this thing going. Could probably be running better, but of course I don't have very much track for it to really try to get it to stretch its legs on, but at least it is moving under its own power for the most part. But that's better than nothing. I mean, before, you know, it was just completely dead, wouldn't move at all. So at least we got something anyway. So that's good enough for me, I think. Do have to go ahead and replace a coupler over here because it's broke off, but that's alright. Once we get a piece of track set up, we'll be able to go ahead and get it to run around there, and that'll probably work out the rest of the kinks that it's got. But until then, don't forget, it ain't a mountain if you don't climb it.
Overhauled.